Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review for this portable makeup bag. It comes in several different styles, but this one looks like Lego bricks, and we're huge Lego people in my family. So let's take a look. There's a little card on the inside. I guess that's a different style that they have. 40% off coupon code. And here is what the bag looks like. So all different color bricks on there. On the inside we get a clear pouch that snaps shut. Also get another little bag, and it snaps in there. So you can detach it if you want to, then put it back in there. I kind of like that. This is a smaller pouch, but it's real thick and padded. That's what it looks like on the inside. Very cute. And then I'm going to try to flip this inside out so that you can see it, because there's pockets on the inside. I completely flipped it for you so you can see it. So half of it has these little elastic bands, so you can put like bottles or brushes in there. And then the back half has little mesh pockets to put all your other goodies in it. And then that's where that little bag snaps. And then we flip it back out. It's rounded at the bottom, and there is a drawstring. So if you press that, you can seal it up shut and take it to go with you. So very nice and portable. I think these are awesome, and I love the brick design. If you guys are interested, they can be found on Amazon, and I will have all the information linked below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.